Yeah, I am. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Miggy, and I am back, and I am currently doing another content. And today I'm gonna be having a photo shoot for my windbreaker costume. So later I will be revealing everything. So I'm gonna be with Ali and Yukio today, and honestly, we're just gonna have a lot of fun and see where it takes us. While me being in full costume, it's gonna be a hot day. By the way, I'm at McDonald's right now eating breakfast before heading off. And Yukio will be there later around lunchtime. And I'm with Ali. Yeah, we're just gonna have breakfast first before we go. Later. I had to stop by here at Aniporium, where I worked before. And look at what she found. Okay. She found Maki. And there's a lot. Ooh, Toji. Tojo, yes. Yeah, we like Toji. It's the beauty of it. I got Mikey. Hey guys, it's Miggy and I am back with another vlog. And I am now in my windbreaker costume. And with me here is Yukio. Hey! And Ali. So we are gonna be having a photo shoot around Ayala. And it's just gonna be a walking photo shoot, so it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be casual. And later we'll be going to the arcade, so bye! Tingnan mo.
Nawala.
Nawala. Ang cute. Hey guys, so tapos na yung photo shoot and kakagaling namin sa time zone. And let's get I had a lot of fun for the entire afternoon. And so when I get home, I'm gonna be editing this. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye!